Hagajing temu ban Pynbiang Shnong Shnong Mentri Ketenat PHE Umar Kuis and Marat hagalai trek urempang arajar arpun Rio. Ulalit banjurip benia kajing nyat kakam haga New Shillong Water Supply Scheme Project kabadan haga Shnong Nong Kali. Habagran gilat patai kubor Mentri ulapan pau kajing kemen hadian boleh bagajing tray kaliat cekmat wada pedang kajing kibabon. Uleto bakum balai pun nakispa ke civil work lalak ban pendap. Kajing Pynbiang yagi pipe bat ki kor ban ring kala jandap bat kata haduk kendai pau nak shispa. Mentri uleto bagajing tray kala slam namar gijing halor kajaka bela shimpor kumbasisnam baneslok bat katanot kala hab ban pengkerya kajaka shna kadam namar gajing long kajaka kabarana ba. Mentri uleto ba anda ladap kena project kan omlong tang na kebentangan New Shillong Township ndaikat Pynbiang umru i live Tylli ki Shnong wa Marjan. Uleto bagawa ken kalong ketolong gababiang ban menta ka thong kalong ba khatsan MLD ndrei ka thong ba khatdu akan poi hado sanpho MLD.
I went to the dam site. I'm very pleased to say that the work is progressing very well, and I hope it will be able to complete as per the stipulated time. The civil works completion is at 30%, and procurement of pipes, pumps, machineries, etc. is at 90%. There was little delay because of land issues there. So our officials have gone for a negotiations which took almost a year, and there was issues of dam site also. We have to shift the dam site for the second the selection site, which is the present construction site. So therefore, it took almost a year with regard to negotiations for land, etc. And construction of road towards the dam site is very challenging. It's a steep gorge kind of a location there. So therefore, the construction of road was also taking some time. But now, road has reached till the point, till the dam site, and construction is going full swing. Almost the foundation part is completing. Cutting of the digging of the earth, clearing of the earth for necessary construction for the dam is almost done. Within next 10 days, we'll be able to start the construction of dam. So therefore, we are hoping that within this working season, to a certain extent, the dam will be able to complete. At present, I don't have the figure here with me, but then our target is very certain that 2 years was given. So 1 year to already spend in negotiating with the land issues and all and other challenges. So 1 year is left. We'll have to extend the time. So therefore, but the company is going all out. They are working 16, 7, 18 hours a day. Just imagine 16, 17 hours a day. And they're trying to complete next year itself. Once it is completed, it will cover the new Shillong township as well as 32 villages very close to that new Shillong township. If I'm not mistaken, 15 MLD we are targeting, but ultimate will be I think 50 MLD. So initially, 15 MLD will be sufficient for new Shillong township.
Mentri Ketenat PHE Kejala Meghalaya Umar Kuis and Marat uleto ba Mentri Ketenat Jal Shakti jong ke sarkar pedang Kular ban penbetno kajing penslam mansiu ki bil ki basateng hapo ke Jal Jivan Mission hapo unu benai rempang. Ha kajing alang Delhi bat ki Mentri Ketenat PHE ni kejala baro layok menekran lor kerukom penyat bat ban penyat renti yaki skim bayadai bat ke Jal Jivan Mission. Ulito baga Meghalaya lambat ki bagi jelai kelapan pau kajing sokya halor kajing bampat yo pisah nak sarkar pedang kabla kata ki kontraktor. Kini ke skim kabla sedang nadok kesenam arajar kat kendai ketemu ban Pynbiang syabrok ki teliu yang hakitan nong kendong. Bat watla ke Meghalaya kala yang bah kerukom terekam kajing pelat pisah kelong kajing kabah kemat mentah.
Jal Shakti Minister Mr. C.R. Patil has called all the PHE ministers of entire country to have a policy dialogue on operation and maintenance part of the GCN. So all the ministers came there, attended. All the ministers attended. We discussed the policy dialogue also, how to go for a operation and maintenance part. Apart from that, every state was raising about the pending bill payment. So government of India has noted it, and Honorable Minister Sir Patil has said that he'll look into this matter within February. That's what we were told. We are at
Habakran
the
halor
final
ke election
stages of
shaga Garo Hills Autonomous
considering the
District
candidate.
Council.
Will
Unang
be
yalam kaseng NPP
finalizing our
ubalong ru
final
Menteri
candidate
Sarkar
within
Marquis and Marak.
this week probably,
Ulapan bana bagi NPP kan ikun
and
habarok ki
will be
constituency jangka Garo
declaring
Hills
all the
Autonomous District
candidates very
Council.
soon.
Bat katup kerteng
And
jangki kertong gan samino hapok kini katayo.
and
Uloong
we are
bagaseng kadang
working on
penbit
some other
penbiang ya ki kerteng
constituencies.
namar kidan gijaka hakaba kinong
Some of
pan
them have
tiket ki poi
already
heru
been finalized,
nyungut
but we have
hakikat tu kan ya
not
gijaka.
declared yet.
Umar Quiz and Marak ulo
Kept
kadau
pending
baka
because we
kongres
need to
kala
have
banlong
a
kaseng kaban ai
discussion
kejing
with our
ikun beteng
committee
e
members as well.
persya ek NPP.
So we are at the
Uni
final
menteri
stage of
ulepen pau baga
considering
TMC
the
kala ban
candidate.
om penyeng kertong satya hagen nga
We
kenti.
will contest
Bar
all
ulio
the
kubor bagi
constituencies.
MDC bamenta jaga TMC kala bane
I
kun
didn't
kum ki
count
kertong
because
klemseng.
some of the constituencies,
Walau
seven
kentaj ban
candidates
keno
are
ek
there.
TMC kum ga
Seven
jahat ke
applicants for the
balangam.
party
Ndre pensyai
sponsorship,
bagi NPP
and
kalong ke
some
bakloy
were
bani
only
kun teng e habarok ki
one
jaka
to
ban
a
penne
very few
ya ke bor jongka.
single applicants. GHDC elections, we are at the final stages of selecting our candidates. We'll be finalizing our final candidates within this week probably, and we'll be declaring all the candidates very soon. And and we are working on some other constituencies now. Some of them have already been finalized, but we have not declared yet. It's kept pending because we need to have a discussion with our committee members as well. So we are at the final stage of considering the candidates.
How many constituencies you plan to contest?
We will contest all the constituencies in Garo. Very, I would say that maybe Congress might be the next party who will be fighting with us. Also, what I'm hearing, TMC is not going to put up candidates. That's what I was told, but I don't know what that is a internal matter of the party. So therefore, I don't have much knowledge about that. But what I'm hearing, they're not going to put up any candidates. That's why I'm aware of that.